Hi guys, it's Kadasia and I'm back with another video. I'm going to show y'all how I achieved my half up, half down curly hair look. That was really cute, giving Miami, giving Puerto Rican. So yeah, y'all, I went ahead and did my bald cap off camera. I went ahead and plucked, bleached. Well, I didn't even bleach this unit. I actually did a little secret L'Oreal High Color Highlights with this unit. So it's basically like you don't have to even bleach the hair. It just turns it red or whatever color you want for real. So if you guys want a video on that, let me know. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using 3 layers of boho glue. You need 3 or 4. Y'all, my wig slipped back when I was in Miami. 3 wasn't enough, baby. I needed 4 to 6. But yeah, make sure each layer of glue is dry in between. Y'all, do not put another layer if that glue is not dry, okay? Please. So before I even press my lace into the glue, I'm just gonna place it like right on top just to see where I want my hairline to start. Y'all, this is your time to create your own hairline. And then after that, whenever you figure out where you want to put it, you're gonna basically take a blow dryer and blow dry it. I spray a little bit of this black Eben hairspray. I have a love-hate relationship with this because it leaves residue sometimes. But I take my elastic band and I put this on for like about 15-20 minutes just to really melt the lace. After that, I'm going to take off the elastic band. Y'all see that residue? So I have to comb it out and make sure no white stuff is left behind after that. So y'all, I get a little scissor happy whenever I cut off my lace. So to prevent this, I cut it into sections and I do one section at a time. I don't rush. I take my time, okay? Because every time I rush, I literally cut my lace too far back and I need to stop. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. I take my precious time. Y'all see it took me a minute to cut this bit. So y'all, my hairline was giving Puerto Rican. Y'all see that? Yeah, okay. Don't play with this. Don't play with this transparent lace. Okay, 13 by 4, 22 curly hair. Giving Puerto Rican. Don't play. Y'all do this part before you glue it down. I'm just cutting off my ear tabs. I don't know why I waited so long, but yeah. So I'm using that same Eben black spray and I'm just taking a little bit and spraying it on my lace. Then afterwards, I'm going to put elastic band for like 5 to 10 minutes just to melt the lace even more. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna part my hair for the half up, half down. Basically, I just made like a U and I basically hot combed each side, hot combed the back, and as you can see, it's not a perfect U that I'm making, but I definitely go back and part it again later on in the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna basically part out 4 pieces of baby hair. Y'all know this is a stressful part for me, so I stick with the 4-piece baby hair. I don't do all that extra stuff, so I just part it out and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and curl it with the pencil curler. Y'all need to go get you one if you don't have one already, because I tell y'all, it is definitely a lifesaver when it comes to baby hair, because if I didn't use it, I didn't know where to start.
my friend told her catch me. I'm a liquor skin, she so precious. Might not fuck again, she too messy. But hit and no flex. Rose gold on this.
Okay, y'all, so the go-to product that I use is like a little bit of hairspray and then the black got to be gel, and I just go in with the hairspray first to kind of mold it, and then the black got to be gel to make it stay down and like stick for real. And then after that I just do C motions, cut a little bit off just to make it a little bit shorter, and boom, you got a swoop. So if you see your baby hairs aren't laying down, I like to go in with a blow dryer and basically assist it to go into a swoop, because I don't know where they thought they were going besides a swoop. So yeah, that's basically what I do. If it wants to fight back with me for no reason. So I'm about to clean up the part for the half up, half down. Y'all don't mind my hairy ass armpits, but if you're struggling with this like I did, just put a little bit of gel put a little bit of gel on the hair so the rubber band has something to grip for real, and it makes it stay in the middle. I had to do this like 2-3 times before I got it to stay in the middle.
Design the head to toe. I sit to the head and float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go.
Make sure you take a piece of hair from the back to wrap around to hide the rubber band. Then after that, I'm going to take a little bit of the Eben red hairspray and spray that on there. And then I'm just going to blow dry it. That way it's just stuck right there and I don't have to pin it or anything.
I done got me some bands too. I can drip on the ground too. So my hood let it down too. I can decide what's going across.
Okay, y'all, what it's looking like. I just did my basic baby hairs, my little 4 pieces of baby hair. And make sure y'all comment down below so I can do them and I can see what videos y'all want to see. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.